With these ODA guidelines, we are equipping the BARM with the tools needed to shape its future and write its own success story. This unlocks limitless opportunities for the BARM, from infrastructure development to socio-economic programs that create jobs, boost incomes, and lift communities out of poverty. Beyond financing, this will provide the BARM with access to knowledge, technology transfers, capacity building, and a wealth of experience from experts and development partners around the world.
For us in BARM, this is more than just a hit on our to-do list, but a step forward to the ladder towards BARM fiscal sustainability, toward the achievement of the Bangsamoro Development Plan, toward the advancement of the welfare of the people in BARM, toward our contribution to the achievement of our country's sustainable development goals.
Rest assured that the DOF is your steadfast ally. Makakaasa po kayo sa aming tulong sa lahat ng inyong hakbangin. Nandito po kami lagi handang sumabay at sumuporta sa inyo.